Jordan Sell, product specialist for custom assemblies. Today we're talking about a new labor and material saving solutions with Werner Electric speed pulls. There are many benefits of using the Werner Electric speed pull solutions, one of them being the labor savings options that come with using this solution. With pre-cut lengths and pre-bundled colors and sizes of wire, it takes minimal hands to pull this into the conduit. Another benefit of using this service is the minimal scrap. Since the sizes, colors, and length of the pull is all predetermined by the customer on the Werner Electric speed pull order form, they are pre-cut to those lengths, meaning that there will be minimal scrap at the end of termination, dealing with less waste on site. Each Werner Electric speed pull is set up with easy to read printed out labels. These are put on each end, and then 2 sets of these printed labels are set along with the pull for termination. When these spools are delivered on the site, every one has a spool ID, which makes it an easy manage, grab this one, pull it in mentality. These pulls can also be set up as stacking for easy installation when everything is being pulled from one spot. Set up one spool and you can have 10 or more pulls stacked on one large spool. With our standard color and size options, there's a 3 to 5 day lead time on the pull. Sizes and color options include number 10 and number 12 of the following colors: black, red, blue, brown, orange, yellow, white, gray, and green. Outside of these color options, price and lead time may vary. The Werner Electric speed pull service is good for anything from a 50 conductor control pull between cabinets to the number 6 and number 8 3-wire system for parking lot pulls. For more information on the speed pull service by Werner Electric, please contact your local Werner Electric Supply account manager.